How to log in Reading X account. Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, what you can do is you can directly head over to the browser of readingx.com. readingx, which is www.readingx, or you can just go over to the application as well and you should be finding similar interface. Now you just need to go ahead and locate up the login option. For the website version, you can usually find it at the top of your screen, which is login right beside the sign up option. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you will be taken to the login interface. Now in this interface, all you gotta do is use up your credentials in order to log in. In the very first box, you need to fill up your email or username. So you need to enter up your email or username that you used in order to create up your account for reading books, Reading X. So just go ahead and type in this section right here in the first box. On the second box right below it, you need to type in your password that you used in order to create your account. So just go ahead and type in your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on this forgot right beside it. After that, you can just go ahead and reset your password. But for now, you can just follow up the steps after you type in, and you can just tap on this login option on your screen, and then you can just go ahead and log in and access the Reading X website onto your device. So that is how you basically do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.